Hello Libra, this is Jay from Live to Love Tarot here to do a love read for you. This read may not resonate with all, so take what works. And also I have a tendency of using he or him in regards to the other connection, but know that the roles can reverse. Okay, I'm going to grab a few cards from the Goddess Oracle just to get a theme around this read, okay? See what, we have golden Yamanya, golden opportunity. Important doors are opening for you right now. Walk through them. Then we have oscillate, undying love. The love you have shared is eternal regardless of the situation. Oh, I love that. All right, let's see. Let's start first with what's going on. What's going on? What's the present situation of your connection with this other person? Let's see what's going on. Oh, crap. Sorry. What is the present situation? What's the present situation? Oh, that was a chunk. All right, so we have oh boy. So we have the Emperor, Five of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And we have the Chariot in reverse. So right now, there's no movement on this connection. The Emperor is telling me that you're both kind of like trying to take control, have some authority over the conflict and the fighting. So you're deciding to just keep the present situation is there's nothing going on. You know, you're both trying to control yourselves and take some authority over the conflict that's dwelling between the two of you. So right now, there's no movement. Let's see about the actual connection between the two of you. Let's see what the connection is, what state the connection is between the two of you right now. Let's see. Connection between the two of you right now. All right. Okay, so we have the Ace of Pentacles, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Knight of Swords, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, and then we have the Three of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So right now, the connection isn't bad. You're both kind of looking towards the future, like out to better things. But I feel like the Knight of Swords is saying that there's still no clarity. And that right now you guys are concentrating on your financial self, finding stability financially and trying to ground yourself. So right now, just like the present situation, there isn't much going on. All right, let's get in and let's see how this person sees you. Let's see how this person sees you. I'm sorry if the camera jumps, it's because I have it on a little tripod on my table, so every time I shuffle the cards, it may jump, like go in and out. So let's see the present. Let's see how this person sees you. Let's see how this person sees you right now. So we have the Eight of Pentacles, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Page of Pentacles, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgos. And the Hangman. The reason why I laughed is because the Page of Pentacles always makes me laugh. This person sees you as a hard worker that, and this is the message I'm getting, and you could take it anywhere, that's immaturely only concentrating on your pentacles, on your money right now. And like this said, the Hangman, you're still, right now, this person sees you as being stagnant in this connection, in this situation, and concentrating only on making money. Let's see what this person wants the most from you. Let's see, what does this person want the most from you? What does this person want the most from you? Oh boy. Yeah. So what this person wants the most from you is to complete this cycle you're both in, an ending to whatever is causing you to be like this towards them. And the moon is telling me that this person is in the darkness, is in an illusion that this King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, that you'll never give him a chance to offer his love and comfort to you again. And he wants this to end because the way that you're acting and you're keeping still, it's making this person paranoid, and he really wants it to stop. I mean, the world and the moon together, to me, is when someone is being elusive. So I feel like this person is just imagining this, maybe exaggerating it, just because the moon is shaky to me. So this person does want this Hangman, this hard time that you're going through, to end, and he does want to come forward with an offer of love and comfort towards you. He misses you. I mean, he's got undying love. See that? And he's afraid that he's going to miss this opportunity to have a restart with you. So let's go into you now. Let's see how you see this person. How do you see this person? How do you see this person? Oh, well, they fell on the cards, so let's see. I'm sorry. We have the Five of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. We have the Five of Swords, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. And we have the Lovers. The reason why I'm giggling is because the way you see this person is someone that is annoying you, that is a liar, and I'm getting cheat, but you can't help but love them. You don't want to, but you can't help but love them. That's how you see them. That's why I started laughing when I see this person could even have deceived you. This person deceived you in some way and left you feeling grief, and you're like almost angry with yourself because you have undying love for this person. You have undying love. So let's see what you want the most from this person. I shouldn't have laughed, but it was funny because I got this. Oh my God, I can't stand him. I wish he'd go away. Frick, I love him. You know, that kind of feeling. I don't know. Okay, what do you want the most from this person? Sorry, I keep like, because I just imagine you know, a person standing there going, "You lie, you stress me out, you give me anxiety, but I freaking love you and I don't know why." And it just makes me giggle. Aww. So we have the Empress, the Ace of Swords, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, and the Ace of Cups. So you see this person as a nurturing, or what you want the most from this person is some answers. You want some comfort and answers. You know, you feel like you deserve this. The Empress is a person that is comforting, truthful, loving, and that's, you want some answers. You want some answers, says the Ace of Swords, because you deserve that. You deserve this chance to know why he did what he did. And the Ace of Cups says to me that see, the Ace of Cups always comes off to me as a person self-loving. So what I'm getting is what you want the most from this person is for him to start loving himself, give the real truth, be a good person, an honest person. And I feel like you would be content with that. So you just want clarity. You want this person to be a good, nurturing, honest person and love themselves enough to be honest with you. There's nothing wrong with that. I like that. Wow. Let's see what to expect in the near future with this connection, with this other person. Let's see what's going on. What can we expect in the coming future? I love the self-love. And you're right. They have to love themselves first. You're not loving yourself if you're being dishonest about things. Okay, so here's what I got. The Seven of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. In the near future, you're both going to be taking a last stand. This is, you know, Six of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, of revisiting the past, trying to put the past to rest. You know, that's what I'm getting. Trying to deal with the past and let it go. And work towards the Ten of Pentacles. Cancer, Scorpio, wait, what the heck am I doing? Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. So you're going to work, Ten of Pentacles to me is a family card. It's about the stability financially, emotionally, and it's about grounding, being stable and grounded, financially and emotionally in a family setting, you know, between two people, because I consider a couple a family. You know, you could have children, but to me, this is saying that you guys are going to make one last move at settling this past and working on rebuilding your relationship. So this is a good thing coming in the near future. And just remember, undying love, the love you have shared is eternal regardless of what's going on. Just remember that in your head when you're dealing with this other person. And this could be the golden opportunity you're looking for. This could be the door that's opening for both of you right now to restart and to, rebuild this love. So I hope this helped you. And as always, go with love and peace.